What's up, guys? I'm here today to make a video about this cute little dress I got on from Fashion Nova. It's cute. It's a little summertime dress. I don't have on a bra or tape right now. I just took this dress out the package, but it has like this little thing going on. It's cute. It's different, but it's a summertime vibe. I could get with it, but this is about the tape. So I don't have on a bra, but this is a cute little summer dress, and I want to show you guys how to tape yourselves with a dress like this. So stay tuned. Let me show you how to tape your breast to wear this dress. All right, so I'm here with an end roll of my mocha tape, and I'm going to show you guys what to do. So of course you cannot, of course you have to measure before you get started. So in this shirt, of course it has like these little Racerback straps, and they're thin, so you don't want to go up too high. So you need to measure starting from here, from top to bottom, and then lift, okay? Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm lifted on my left side, and I'm not lifted on my right, because you can see the volume here, and you can see this girl still sitting down. So how I taped it, I'm about to show you guys on my right side. All right, so of course, like I told you guys before, with these types of shirts and dresses, when they have skinny straps and then they kind of are wider here and then they stand out at the top, it's okay if you go up a little too high, because all you have to do is pull down and cut, because the tape is not gonna roll down, okay? And I have a little piece showing, but it's kind of close to my skin, so it's not gonna bother me. And voila, there you go. Nothing showing on the side boob, nothing showing in the back. All right, so let me show you how I did that on this side. Okay, so we don't waste no tape over here. All right, so this is the end roll of a Noor, and because I only use 2 pieces on this side, I'm probably gonna only need 2 pieces on this side too. All right, so I'm gonna show you how I did it with clothes on this side. All right, so you're gonna lift up and pull. It's gonna be harder to show you, but for TikTok, we gotta do it this way. All right, so what you do is make sure to take it off slowly, because when you go too fast, it rolls up and you waste tape. So what you'll do is, just how I have my breast lifted on this side, you're gonna start taking your tape down, and you're gonna use that tension to pull up as such. And there it is. All right, so as you can see, you have to lift up in order to get that lift, because I'm lifted on this side. I just have clothes on while I'm doing it. All right, and I'm gonna do the same thing again so you guys can see. So everybody's always like, can you show me from start to finish? And I can't physically show you guys my boob and hold it in my hand, but what I can do is show you what I do to get it lifted with this dress on. So what I can do is, so you can see this breast is not, it wasn't lifted before I did this, but you're gonna hold up. You gotta hold up on your boob, got to. When you hold up on your boob, you're gonna press that tape down, and you're gonna do it again. You're gonna lift up, just like that. And voila, I have 2 lifted boobs. As you can see, I'm lifted on this side, and I'm lifted in clothes on this side. Okay, so all summer long, the moral of the story is no bras, period, okay? You want to be lifted on the side. You want to be lifted in the back. You want to wear your cute low-cut tops. You want to wear, move back, baby. You want to wear your cute low-cut tops. You want to wear your spaghetti straps. You definitely want to get you some True Lift. It's not going anywhere. It's completely sweat-proof. Are they wearing bras this summer, baby?
No, they're wearing True Lift.
They're wearing True Lift all summer long. Y'all heard it from Carly. Order yours today.